This is part 4 of our video, and here we will talk about record keeping. First of all, a record is an accounting or financial document. These documents are normally supported by source documents. These are documents received for expenses paid and income you received from your clients. A source document is an evidence of a transaction. Examples would be receipts, sale invoices, purchase slips, bank deposit slips, and so on. For example, here is a receipt from a gas station. This is receipt from Esso. It shows me that I filled up my tank. So that would be your best evidence of that transaction.
I heard about no receipt, no deduction rule. Does this area apply?
Yes, they do. As a small business owner, you should remember one simple thing. The more aggressive you are with your deductions, the higher the probability is that you will get audited by Canada Revenue Agency. We will talk about the SR&ED audit in the next video. But for now, remember that the name of the game is record keeping. Let me repeat this. The most important aspect of claiming your expenses and deductions is keeping good records. I suggest that you keep a separate business bank and credit card account, make all business transactions, and keep all your receipts. Record keeping is particularly important in cases you're deducting meals and entertainment, travel, gifts, and some other expenses. Your receipt is normally your best evidence to prove the amount of expense. The receipts have to show the date of purchase, the name and address of the seller or supplier, a full description of goods or services, and amount paid. No description on the receipt? No problem. Turn it over and write your own, either on a receipt or in your expense journal.
What if I buy something that can be used both for business and personally?
Turn the receipt over and write a short story on its back. Just 2 or 3 sentences explaining why this expense was necessary for your business. Some types of expenses that need a business story are gifts, promotions, meals, entertainment, supplies, and travel. In case of a gift, meals, or entertainment, that story should contain the client's name and phone number.
What should I do with my receipt?
You can drop them into a shoebox. Just like that. Enjoy the army of small business owners who don't care about record keeping. But guess what? Who typically gets attention from SR&ED? Exactly the same guys. So your better choice would be to sort those receipts out by categories and put them into different envelopes or folders.
What if I lose my receipt?
No problem. Just take a piece of paper and put down all the information on your purchase. If you check your receipts on a regular basis, you will easily restore all the details of any transaction. And if those lost receipts are an exception, not the rule, the SR&ED will accept them. Last but not least, credit card and bank statements are not enough to prove your purchase. Always keep the original receipt, whether it be a gas station, a liquor store, a restaurant, or anything else. I hope this information was useful. If you have any questions, you can always give me a call at 416-857-7570.